Hey, stepped in the club, checkerboard shoelaces. They already know that I am the greatest. I did rap in my basement for a long time. Then I jumped on the beat with divine lines. Then somebody heard of me. They found KJENT to be a realistic thing. I'm sitting in the lounge with some other entities, and we are gods in this bitch. Know what I mean? We be spitting it all day on green. Blazing greenery, y'all know what I mean. It's a crazy scene. Every time we get together in the lounge, it's crazy. Hey, blazing on the track, baby. Get annoyed by this, but you can't stop a thing. KJENT, I'm like a cool train. Just blast in and do my thing. PAT jump out that bitch like a clown car. Everybody in this bitch like superstars. We blast off and now what the fuck you thought? We gonna go so super hard in this bitch. Don't forget that we did it from the beginning. Told you that we gonna wreck this bitch. Didn't believe until we came in, man, and started wrecking things. And now you understand that we the best in the land. Never have an underhanded plan that we can't digest, man. Just slap your ass with dick. Soon you'll get it. Subliminal messages from the cuff kid.
Yeah. Couldn't do it. First off, we couldn't do it. First off, come on. First off, we tried this shit. We agreed to this. We made an agreement. Understand the motherfucking situations we in. Coming from the mission, you know I retake this shit. I'ma attack your ass in action. We gon' come in ass blast. Come on, baby, get this shit like an ass blaster. Call the shit tremors, getting ass faster than you. Then I done told it. Nigga getting this shit like a fucking bowling. Nigga, I don't care about this shit. I am rolling, coming out the motherfucking place like I'm blowing down the best. Green in the air, smoke everywhere. Can't see nothing. It's like a fucking fog in this bitch. Let's walk out. Hit this shit, go into that party now. We gon' get down, we gon' go large, we gon' do things that you have never done. Everybody drinks on me, all y'all. Come on, baby, get this shit and coming out the motherfucking garage. What? Huh? Woo! Woo! Yeah. Get it. Get it. Let's go. This is dope rap. Dope rap.
Throw another beat on. There you go. There's the rap bit.
Fucking way.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
God dang it, y'all. We struggling today. This one don't work, I'm going to the other ones.
So we'll make another trip to the snack bar.
Right? Gotta play the mobile beats, y'all. The mobile beats. We got industry beats, promoted music. Notepad. Let's go here. Yeah. We're going right here. Woo! What's up, man? It's hot around here. It's been raining all day. We had a hurricane come through. And it's fucked up. But shit. We just keep it going.
Goddamn Hurricane Karen.
Yeah.
Karen that came through on her period.
It fucking rained all day, man. It rained all day. Couldn't go to sleep. Maybe today. Got depressed. The other day. Fuck this shit. I fade away. Let's fly away to another place. Me and you, we can just go. Lose our mind. Trip a little bit on that cocaine. Nigga coming out the motherfucking game. Got the molly for you and your gang. Nigga coming out of here like a fucking bang. All this fucking shit. Banging your ass. Coming out the motherfucking click blast ass. I throw the dice. 7 y'all roll it. Bitch, that's right. Give up the money. Now we fade because you don't wanna give what I say. Nigga coming out this motherfucker so ungated. I don't even care, I'm on the gate right now, the Golden Gate. You know what it is, heaven we so far away. Coming out of here every day like an Escalade. Then I ride to the other place, of the other place and the other place. Underground go when I'm fade away. Coming out the motherfucking underground now cause the nuke just landed. Now we all panic. Damn, it's fucked up, ain't it? Fuck it, man. We entertain them. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, All I think about is greatness as I ride in the home back of my homeboy 26 is what that cutlass, bitch. Only think about greatness, chopping up a beat like salami, serve it to the nations. Everybody wanna hear about the things that we've been doing. Stuffed it up in the backseat of the basement. What the fuck, thoughts not coming out right? So twisted, thinking about a beat right. All I wanna do is get on the microphone and let you know about the thoughts coming out at night. But when I slice up a nice beat, all I can think about the ones, twos, and threes. What the fuck is going on with me? Think I'm becoming part of the beat, or it's a part of me. I jumped into the stream of infinity just to let you know how it be going on in our zone. But we at the lounge, so y'all know that it's going crazy. Come on, baby, don't you really wanna know what's going on? We here to let you know. We can make it clear for you, but you really don't wanna see what's going on. Gremlins might rip your soul up, parts into a like a puzzle, gotta put it back together. But you don't wanna do that, right? It's too stressful. You don't got the endurance, no energy to fight the fight. So you don't even wanna go. You just wanna run and hide, but you gotta float, gotta fight to another day. But it's right on the other side, but you never know if you never break away. KJENT, what the fuck is going on? What the fuck do I mean? I don't know. What the fuck is all the fuck for? But you know that you love it when I say a fuck and a lot of more. A lot of more of that crazy shit coming on from the dome. No, it never quit. But you know we gotta quit and go home one day. When will you stop and fade back away? But you can't go away back to the place that you started from. Cause you don't know where it started, man. You so fucked up, so insane in the brain from the gunnery that you been smoking, man. Hey, bring it back together, man. Sobriety is right around the corner, but you don't really want it. Cause you won't ever last off, kid. Probably gonna smoke green till I die. I don't know about you, I'ma always fly high. But if you can't control yourself, probably need to stop. I'ma light it up and keep rocking pop. That's what I do. I get the microphone and slice the ones and twos like no one's home. I act nasty on that bitch. Cause your ENT, when will it ever quit? Never ever, I'm an artist to the death of this shit. I'm the one that started it, never ever will it quit.
Slice show up like watermelon, nigga, coming out of here. I'm going through the motherfucking purple place. What's the purple place? Purple haze in your face, nigga, gonna fade away. Coming out of here today. You know me, I'm crazy, man. I don't even care about the shit that I be saying. Schizophrenic in this bitch, like a nigga getting whipped. And I'm whipping in the action in the shit. Get attention from the shit. Now I get attention from the fucking bitches, cause they love me. I got a baby face and I'm fucking with it. I don't care about that shit, I come and get it. Let's go with it. We gon' fucking blow it down like the beginning. Understanding I got the fucking shit. And make your ass lose your mind, trip out now, come behind, from behind, and cut you with my samurai sword, nigga, coming out here, penetrate your ass with this motherfucking knife here. I don't even care about a nigga coming right here. He can get the fucking fade away right here, and I'ma come away. I'ma go today to the other place, other fucking galaxy. No, nigga, universe number 2. I'ma meet myself, that's number 2. Yeah.
I had fucked up. I was like, oh shit. I was about to stop, and I was like, nah, fuck it.